In this video, I will show you how to change Google password step by step. So make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, as you can see now here, if I want to just log in into my account, as you can see now I forgot the password. If I tap on this next button, so as you can see now here, it says the password is wrong. So by the end of this video, I will show you how to change your password on your phone. So all you have to do now, tap on this forgot password section. So as you can see now, if you tap on this forgot password, as you can see now it will send you a code through an email address that is linked to your Gmail account. As you can see now, I already have a Gmail account that is linked to my account. As you can see now, here is it. As you can see, it says it will send me a code through this Gmail address. So now I'll just go and copy the code that is sent me. As you can see now, if I swipe my phone like this, so as you can see now, here is the code. Now I get the code. Here is it. As you can see, here is the code. Now I get the code. It says 518944. So here is the code. Now I'll just type in the code 518944. So after you type the code, all you have to do now, tap on this next button. So as you can see now here it says you can update your password and if you forgot it. So as you can see now, tap on this update password button, this one. So as you can see now here is the checking. Now it allow me now to create a new password. All you have to do now, go and create a password that you will not forget easily. So I'll just go and create my password now. So after you create your password, as you can see now, all you have to do now, after you type your password, tap on this save password button. This save password, tap on it. So tap on this change button. So as you can see now it says add phone number. So if you want, you can add phone number to your Gmail account. So for me, I'll just now skip this option. I already have my Gmail on it, so the Gmail is okay. So if you want, just add your phone number, add your phone number for it. So if you have phone number already on your Gmail account, it will not ask you this question. So I'll tap on this skip button and tap on this agree button. So as you can see, I tap now if I tap on this icon, as you can see now, if I scroll now to down, as you can see now here is the Gmail that I set it password now. So now as you can see, here is the Gmail now. So that's it guys on how to reset your password on Google account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.